Hey guys, welcome back to the Graham Strategy channel. As always, I start this off by reminding you that I am not a financial advisor and I do not make any recommendations on what you should or should not buy or sell. The stock market is falling and so do other assets such as gold and cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is down about almost 50% since its peak in November, and S&P 500 is down more than 8% since the peak on January 3rd, and the Swedish OMX30-index is down about 6%. How has the Graham portfolio performed in this environment, and what can we expect in the months to come? Well, since the peak, it has dropped 4.4%. That means it has withstood the selling pressure better than the OMX30 index, where we can see a decline of 5.8%. However, the portfolio is still at a higher valuation compared with the last video, with a gain of 52.68% since the start last year in March, which is more than 4 times that of the OMX30 index. In fact, I can't find a single index that is available to me on this site that has performed better than the Graham portfolio since the start of the portfolio.
So here we have the Graham portfolio, and that is the green graph in this chart. We also have a yellow line here, which is the index that is compared with the Graham portfolio. And we can start from the top with the Dow Jones World Index, and I start scrolling down, and we can see the different indices. So OMX Stockholm 30, which I usually compare with, Copenhagen 20, Oslo, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, Dow Jones USA, the Nasdaq 100, the German DAX, Hang Seng, Dow Jones France, Italy, Portugal, Spain, Russia, and the Netherlands. As you can see, none of these have performed better than the Graham portfolio. So, what can we expect in the next few months? A stock market crash, a correction by 10%, or a continued bull run? Well, the future is hard to predict, and as the companies are preparing to publish the yearly reports next month, good profits could send us to a new all-time high. Nevertheless, the opposite in combination with increased interest rates could start a 1 to 2 year bear market. So what shall I do with the Graham portfolio? Well, I plan to stick to my strategy regardless of what happens, as this is a financial experiment and it is interesting to see how well it holds up also when the market conditions are bad. As most yearly reports will be published next month, the valuation using the Graham criteria will change, and at the end of the month or beginning of March it is time to rebalance the portfolio. So it will be interesting to see what new stocks will be added and what stocks will be removed. But that was all for today. Stay tuned for updates on the portfolio, subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when I release a new video. So until next time, as always, stay sharp and follow your passion.